Hi everyone and welcome back to FrequencyClick. It's Ivan. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find a profitable niche for your online business. Choosing the right niche is crucial if you want to build a successful online business. And in this video, we'll provide you with 5 tips to help you with the process. Make sure to stay till the end. I have special bonuses just for you. Start with your passion and skills. When choosing a niche, it's important to choose something that you're passionate about and have knowledge or skills in. This will make the process of creating content and building your business much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Do your research. Look for niches that have high demand but low competition. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media platforms to find out what people are interested in and what gaps exist in the market. Narrow down your niche. Instead of targeting a broad market, try to focus on a specific sub-niche. This will make it easier for you to stand out from your competition and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Validate your idea. Before committing to a niche, it's important to test it out and see if there's a market for it. You can do this by conducting surveys, running ads, or creating a minimum viable product to test the waters. Keep an open mind. Don't be afraid to pivot if things aren't working out. Your niche may evolve over time as you learn more about your audience and the market, so be open to change and be willing to adapt as needed. Now, before we wrap up this video, I want to emphasize the importance of choosing a niche that aligns with your passions and skills. When you're passionate about something, it's easier to stay motivated and to create content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, if you have skill or knowledge in a particular area, you can use that expertise to differentiate yourself from your competition and provide value to your audience. So there you have it. 5 tips for finding a profitable niche for your online business. I hope you found this helpful. Please smash the like button. And if you have any question or tips of your own, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Bonuses. Here are 3 potential profitable niches for 2023 based on online relevant statistics. The health and wellness. With the ongoing pandemic, people are becoming more health conscious and looking for ways to improve their well-being. The global wellness market is projected to grow to $6.5 trillion by 2023, and there's an increasing demand for health and wellness products, services, and information online. Niche areas within this market could include things like healthy eating, exercise, mental health, and alternative therapies. Sustainable living. Another trend that's gaining momentum is the focus on sustainable living. As people become more aware of the impact of their actions on the environment, they are looking for ways to live more sustainably and reduce their carbon footprint. The market for sustainable products and services is growing, and niche areas within this market could include things like eco-friendly fashion, green energy, and zero-waste living. Online education. With the rise of remote work and distance learning, there is an increasing demand for online education. The global e-learning market is projected to reach $375 billion by 2026, and there are many opportunities to create courses and content that help people learn new skills, advance their careers, or pursue their passions. Niche areas within this market could include things like coding, digital marketing, and personal development. So maybe you are trying to create your own online training. Don't worry if you're interested. There is a link in the video description which will give you access to a free video about how to start your own online business from scratch. And just to let you know, this is only for those who are willing to put in effort in the process to learn and build strong skills to attempt their goals. Getting rich quickly doesn't exist. Finally, there are affiliate links in this post, meaning at no additional cost to you, I will be compensated if you click through and take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.